Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and share your presentation in Smallppt. Once your slides are ready, Smallppt offers several ways to export them. You can download your presentation as a PowerPoint file with flexible export settings that allow you to control which slides are included and how the file is generated. If you prefer image formats, you can also export your slides as PNG files, adjusting the format and image quality to suit different use cases. For sharing or printing, Smallppt also supports exporting your slides as a PDF, where you can configure page layout and other document settings. If you want to display your slides online, you can use the Embed option. Simply copy the provided code snippet and paste it into your website or blog to embed the presentation. Smallppt also lets you share your presentation directly to platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or Instagram, or simply copy the link to share it anywhere. That's how to export and share slides in Smallppt. Try it out and let us know what you think.